All right, so we're looking at Chapter 10, Lesson 2 on page 747. I want to point out that we are working with a volume of triangular prisms. Triangular prisms have triangle faces and rectangular faces. There are 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. There's a rectangle right here. There's a rectangle on the opposite side of this one, and there's a rectangle on the bottom that we can't see. The triangles is this side, and on the other side is identical. So the opening of the tent, okay, has a base and height of 6 feet. So this amount right there is also 6 feet. Okay. We want to find the area of the triangular face. So we need to find the area of this. So area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we take the height, which is this length, which we found from the problem is 6 feet, and the base, which is also 6 feet. So that equals 6 times 6 divided by 2. 6 times 6 is 36, divided by 2 is 18. So the area is 18 feet squared. The next part wants us to find the area of a triangle in units using the grid paper. Now it says to cut out a piece of paper and draw the triangle, but let's use what we have here. What this is actually saying is we have a base and a height of 4 units. Okay, so the base, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the height is also 4 units from here to here. Okay, so we want to know area of this triangle here. So area equals base times height divided by 2, which is 4 times 4 divided by 2. 4 times 4 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. So that's 8 units squared. Okay, so right now we're just practicing with area of triangle. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. We're going to skip these other few problems, and I want to focus just on this area formula. So let's look at the next page and actually find some examples. We are on page 748. Okay, so we have this formula. Now we saw this one in the last lesson. Is volume equals B times H. This capital B represents the area of the base. Okay, notice that they point to the base, which is this amount right here. Okay, and we're going to take the area of that times the height. Well, the area of the base in this case is that triangle area formula, base height over 2. So we have to kind of do 2 steps. Let's look at example problem A. We need to find the volume. We're going to again use this volume equals base times height. We need to take the base of the triangle, which is this 4 times 3.5 divided by 2. So this is area of the triangle, which is base times height divided by 2, which is 3 times 3.5 times 4 divided by 2. Okay, so 3.5 times 4, 20, 12, 13, 14, 1 decimal, so that's 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So this is this B measurement as part of our volume formula. Volume equals BH. So now we're going to input this amount for this B times the height, which is 7 meters. So the volume equals 7 times 7 is 49 meters cubed. Okay, let's do letter B. So again, volume equals BH. B is the area of a triangle, which is base height divided by 2. Okay, so the height is this 8 pointed at this dotted line, and the base is 7. So we've got 8 times 7 divided by 2, 56. 8 times 7 is 56 divided by 2. In case you don't know how to do that in your head, I'm just going to do that up here. 2, 4, 16, 28. So this B value for our volume formula is 28. Now we can multiply the B times the H. So volume equals 28 times 10. This is that other measurement we see in the problem. So volume equals 280. And we need to make sure we keep the unit of measure, so 280 yards cubed. Let's look at the last page of this lesson. Page 749. Again, we have the same formula, but instead of a model, we're given the information. Okay, it says find the volume of a triangular prism shaped model with a base of 32 and a height of 6. Okay, so let's work here. Volume equals base times height. So we've got to find the B. Area equals base times height divided by 2. So that would equal 32 times 6, which equals, we have to divide by 2, so 32 times 6 equals 12. Carry the 1, 18, 19. And we've got 192. And quite honestly, that's all we have to do because it's finding the volume of a triangular prism. 192 centimeters cubed. Because those are the only measurements we have. Last one is similar to what we did before. Again, we have the volume formula that we're using, but we're given all of these measurements. We have to figure out the difference. So we have volume equals base times height. We have 55. We're going to just substitute the values for each letter into the formula. Base length and base height. Okay, now we have to figure out this B again. Okay, so area equals base height divided by 2 in order to find this B value. Okay, we have 2 and 5. 2 times 5 divided by 2. Well, that's 2 times 5 is 10, divided by 2 equals 5. So our B value equals 5, and we're trying to find H because we don't have that H value. Now keep in mind, the reason I did this is the base height and base length. That means we have to find this capital B value. In order to find the value of H, we divide by 5. We have H left over, and it is 11. So our height is 11 kilometers. Okay, I know this is an extra couple steps because we have to find a secondary value. But if you remember that the base is the same as that area of a triangle, base height divided by 2. That'll help you. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.